flip it.
Do it.
I won't flip it.
Do it. She wants to. She's okay with it.
You want me to flip it? I'll flip it. I don't care.
Adios.
Oh man.
Doing it twice now, right?
I know. Twice in a row?
It's alright. I did it 5 times in a row.
Are you serious?
I did it 4 times.
Oh no.
Alright, girls, hands up. Keep them up. What are you doing? Put them up. Put them up. Keep them up. There you go. Up.
Otra vez, otra vez.
Uy, no. 2 veces ya me matan.
De verdad.
Alright, girls, lift up your feet. Levanta la pie. Thank you.
Ay.
Exit to the right.